Hello everybody, welcome to this wonderful new experiment. Today we're going to make fidget cookies. The first step is to create the cookie cutter form, and we are going to do it with a soda or beer can. We are going to use this peanut butter cookie dough, so that's very easy. You just open the package and you cut a piece, then create a ball, and then you smash the ball on a grease pan. And now we're going to use our fidget cookie cutter created previously. Just push it down and then remove the excess of dough. Now we'll take an M&M's and we'll place it in the middle. Okay, so let's do all the other cookies now. Now take another M&M's and just place on the three wings of the fidget to give some color. And that's it. Let's bake them now. Okay, I gave them 15 minutes. Okay, and now this is the final result. Look at that, they are so cute. The kids will love it. Let's try if one can spin. You can see I put the M&M's with a nut that goes on the back, so you can easily spin and have a lot of fun. Let's try this one, the bigger one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Maybe they don't spin so well, but they taste very good. Let's try. Wow. The flavor of this fidget spinner cookie, beautifully. Wonderful. Let's see if you spin all. Incredible! It still spin! Wonderful. Okay, that's all for this wonderful experiment. See you next time. Subscribe to the channel. Fidget spinner!